Wow! Do you want to live, build your family, or retire in this kind of serene community, but still you are 10 minutes away from Nuvali and SM Neo Verde? For as low as 22,000 pesos per month or $398 US, you can own a prime lot here. Welcome to Verdea of Ayala Land. Hi guys! This is me again, Jair Mamaklay, your property geek. Don't mind my hair kung hinahangin, ibig sabihin lang, mahangin na mahangin dito, cooler yung breeze, and may Tagaytay feels, and at the same time, you are in the middle of everything. Ito yung isa sa mga nagiging favorite projects ko ngayon because Verdea is located in Southmont, and just like sa mga video presentation natin dati, Southmont is the newest estate development here in the area. It is already located in Silang, pero as you can see in Google Maps ngayon, pinapakita namin, isang street lang, nandito ka na kay SM Neo Verde at Nuvali. At isang street dito sa kabilang side sa Google Map, nakikita mo, papunta na siya ng Tagaytay. So you are enjoying a higher land elevation than Nuvali, Tagaytay feels, but at the same time, accessible pa rin pati papuntang Manila and sa Naiya and North Luzon dahil sa SLEX Skyway and Calax. It is golden hour this time. Ang sarap ng hangin. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo. Grabe yung view. Isa to sa mga binibentang lote, prime lot eh. Pero grabe yung view, grabe yung greeneries, and napakagandang pumosisyon dito. Ang dami ng mga clients ko na nag-invest here kasi kung ano yung nangyayari kay Nuvali dati, vast land pa lang. Ganito si Verdea ngayon. Ganito si Southmont ngayon in general. So, kaya nakakapag-offer sila ngayon ng very stretched down payment for as low as 22,000 pesos per month or $398 US. So, hindi ko po ito itatago, hindi ko ito i-gatekeep kasi itong lote na ipepresent natin mamaya, napakaganda ng magiging investment position nyo here kasi you already have a prime lot with around 300 square meter lot area already at makakapagpatayo ka na ng bahay na pwedeng pang retirement, pwedeng pang build ng family dahil designed itong estate development na ito, si Southmont, for retirees, for family building, at i-discuss ko sa inyo kung bakit. Aside from the location that we have higher elevation here, meaning iba na po talaga yung hangin dito. Feeling ko nga parang nasa Tagaytay na ako. Of course, no, I don't wanna exaggerate it. Mas malamig pa rin sa Tagaytay. Pero if gusto mo nang mas accessible, wala dun sa secluded area, and still, nandito ka sa Ayala Land na napakaganda ng security, safety, and ng kanilang property management and maintenance in the future, this is your go-to place. So ngayon, si Southmont, pangatlo pa lang po itong development si Verdea. Napakagandang pumosisyon. Itong area na to on my left, katabi nyo lang po yung Ayala Land Premier. Pero kung titignan nyo, pag ganun siya, no, mas mataas pa rin yung elevation dito kahit na Ayala Land Premier yung katabi ninyo. So, ang ganda ng positioning ni Verdea, ang ganda ng view ninyo, meron pang Mount Makiling view at this greenery, this mountain on the side. So, technically, you have a 360-degree view in the future kapag nagpatayo kayo ng dream retirement home ninyo. And at the same time, they designed Southmont, this estate development na lahat ng kailangan nyo nandito na kahit malapit naman kayo sa Nuvali at sa big premiere ng SM Mall, which is SM Neo Verde. This would be a very active community dahil nandito yung magiging biggest sports complex in the High South. Hindi lang ito yung magiging normal clubhouse nyo na may gym. Mind you, sports club talaga siya. Catering different sports, merong complex pool, tennis courts, napakadami. And alam niyo yon, retired na kayo, minsan mag-iisip kayo kung anong gagawin ninyo aside from sa nilalakaran natin ngayon dito sa loob ng Verdea na ang daming jogging path, linear park, no? Meron pa kayo outside, no, ng subdivision ng mga amenities na dito niya lang sa Southmont makikita. Aside from that, magkakaroon kayo ng sariling church, and at the same time, bukod sa church, magkakaroon din kayo ng parang mini high street ng BGC. It's an alfresco which is called Southmont Central. So, very exclusive estate development, hindi kasing laki ng New Valley of Ayala kasi si New Valley 2,400. Very intimate lang ito. Kaya napakaganda na kung gusto nyo mag-retire, pwedeng-pwede kayo dito kasi lahat na nandito eh. And at the same time, kung mag-family building kayo, pwedeng-pwede rin because we have our own school here. Not just an ordinary school, pero napakalapit lang din ito. Kung makikita nyo sa drone namin, si Chiang Kai-shek College. This is a big campus of Chiang Kai-shek. They have their own track and field, big school complex na kinikater at ini-encourage yung mga bata sa active lifestyle. So, nakita nyo na, from school, from the amenities, at kahit sa loob ng residential community, this will be an active community in the future. So let's deep dive naman dito sa Verdea. Refresher lang, this is the smallest community of Alveo up to date in this estate development. Napakaliit at very low density in the future, but as you can see naman, hindi po talaga nagtipid si Ayala and si Alveo na magkaroon ng napakaraming open spaces. Nakita nyo itong linear park, kanina pa ako dumadaan. Kung makikita nyo dito sa drone shot natin, so i-highlight namin ito, no? Lalagyan namin ng different color. Ganito po kahaba ang linear park. Pero isa lang ito sa parks and open spaces. If makikita nyo naman dito sa side na to, meron ulit na linear parks just like this. Bukod pa sa napakagandang amenities na binubuo nila ngayon, and an update, nakikita nyo ngayon sa video namin, gawang-gawa na po yung pool, yung function hall. So, this will really be the game changer of an Alveo development here in Southmont. And it feels like I'm not working or having a shoot here kasi puro greenery, grabe yung plants, and bukod sa existing na Cavite-Laguna Expressway going to Cavite, Manila, and sa existing South Luzon Expressway, dito sa part na to, may gagawin ulit na access papuntang Carmona kasi si Ayala, marami siyang estate development dito sa South. New Valley, Southmont, Broadfield Business District, and yung pang-apat is located in Carmona, which is Era Heights. So ngayon, magiging interconnected siya in the future at huwag kayong mag-alala kasi kung wala pang laman to ngayon, grabe yung accessibility and transportation system kasi may plano si Ayala na magkaroon ng sariling Bus Rapid Transit System or BRT. So interconnected lahat ng development kung gusto mong pumunta ng New Valley, ng Broadfield, ng Era Heights, dito lang sa Southmont, you don't need to worry dahil pwedeng hindi ka na mag-drive. Location check, accessibility check, and the neighborhood check. So this is a very good investment, may it be for end use or gusto mo lang bumili dito for market value appreciation. We are here now kung nasan yung block and location ng lote. So ngayon, estimate pa lang kasi very pre-selling, and at the same time, kakatapos lang ng land development here. Nakita niyo yung kulay ng road, no? Kakatapos lang talaga nila ng finishing. So ang isusunod na is yung pagpuput up ng mohon and yung pag-divide, no, ng lote para magkaroon ng palatandaan kung ano yung end, no, ng bawat frontage ng property. But as you can see, meron naman po tayo sa mapa kung gaano siya kalaki, anong shape niya, perfect rectangle po, and at the same time, nandito yung estimate namin dito sa loteng ito. So, pangatlo mula sa corner. So, why am I featuring this lot? So, if you want like the most affordable lot in the area, this is the best lot because for as low as 22,000 pesos per month, makakaposisyon at makaka-enter ka na dito. It is not just your ordinary pre-selling property. This is a premium development of no other than Ayala brand. So let's talk about the computation. Again, this is exactly located at Block 27, Lot 18. The lot area is 314 square meters. How's the payment term? So for this month, for example, November 2025, they extended their promo this month. You will be only shelling out amounting to 50,000 pesos for the reservation payment 1 month after the date date of reservation, so December 2025, you just need to pay 10% of the total contract price, which is at 1,283,000 pesos. And then the following month ulit, January 2026, dun magsisimula ang 60 months to pay or 5 years to pay stretch down payment term at only 22,300 pesos per month. Imagine, 60 months na ganun lang yung binabayad mo per month. After nun, may maiiwan na 80%, which amounts to around 10 million pesos that you can loan through bank. But guys, 60 months, 5 years, turuan ko kayo mag-strategize, no? During the course of 60 months, 22,000 pesos or $398 lang yung binabayad nyo. 0% interest po ito. During that term, pwede kayong mag-save sa sarili ninyo, tapos after down payment, baka yung 10 million, maipon nyo na in the future and then maibayad nyo na agad. You didn't pay any interest for your lot or your property investment and you bought that property without paying any interest. Gaano kaganda yon. So, nasa yun na yung advantages ng lahat. Hindi po ito masakit sa bulsa. Malalock in nyo yung property, no, na ito yung presyo niya ngayon, pero after 5 years, sa tingin nyo ba, ganyan pa rin kataas yung value ng 13 million? Pero ngayon, it's buyer's market. Bago tumalon yung 2026, binibigyan tayo ng chance ng mga developers, especially ni Ayala, na kahit sa premium development, just like Verdea, pwede tayong makalock in ng price, pwede natin malock in yung price na ngayon, the time na mag-reserve tayo, kahit na nagbabayad tayo ng maliit na down payment for the course of 5 years, hindi na tayo affected ng market value appreciation over time. So, ibig sabihin, habang nagbabayad ka lang ng ganun kaliit monthly, nakikita mo yung property mo, nagma-market value appreciate kahit hindi mo siya binayaran in cash or ng buo. So, during the course of down payment, kung gusto mo mang i-flip, ganun yung ginagawang strategy ng iba, okay lang. Binili mo yung lote, ganito lang yung binabayad mo per month, tapos i-flip mo ng mas mahal pa, hindi ka nangapital, no, ng malaki, pero yung return na kung ano yung halaga ng property, yun yung pwedeng bumalik sa'yo. And that is my most affordable lot recommendation in the area. Of course, if you want a premium lot, a bigger lot area, corner lot man, or malapit man sa amenities and entrance gate, pero in general, maliit lang naman yung community, so technically, parang may equal sharing sila ng distance sa kung nasan yung mga open spaces and scattered naman lahat. So, mag-inquire lang kayo sa akin para mabigyan ko kayo dahil meron pa po tayong ibang inventory. Of course, higher lang yung price, pero in general, no, napakamura po, no, ng monthly down payment given na ganito ka-premium yung development niya at kung ano yung future ni Southmont. So if you want to take this opportunity with the lightest and most affordable and at the same time, lightest term for over 60 months for as low as 22,000 pesos per month, you may contact me through my mobile number, iMessage, Viber, or WhatsApp account. That is +63 927 185 1590. My business email, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. You may also directly contact me through my Facebook account, which is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Guys, this is November 2025. Hindi po ako magsasawang magpaalala sa inyo na habang buyer's market pa at habang hindi pa tumatalon sa 2026, I'm not saying this just because I want commissions, no? Kahit na bread and butter natin ito, pero I'm really saying kung ano nga ba yung nangyayari sa ground. So ngayon, hanggat may ganito pang lightest payment terms yung developer, i-take natin yung opportunity kasi kahit nga 20%, no, hindi naman tayo magbabayad ng total contract price. Reserve lang, 10% spot payment, tapos ayun na, 60 months, low monthly down payment na. So I hope nakapag-give ako ng value. I hope nag-resonate sa video kung gaano ka-serene, kung gaano kaganda yung mga shots namin, pati yung mga drones namin. This is only for you para kahit nasa bahay kayo, it's as if nagtitripping kayo kasama namin dito sa Pilipinas. This is Jaire Mamaklay again, your property geek, always inviting you to come home to the beautiful islands of the Philippines.